Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix games crashing on PC Windows 11. If games keep crashing on Windows 11, the cause is usually outdated drivers, overheating, corrupted game files, insufficient resources or software conflict. So firstly, you need to restart your PC. A restart clears temporary issues and background process. You need to open your Windows and select this power icon here and select restart. And next is you need to update your Windows 11. You need to go to the setting. So simply go to the setting over here. And from here, you need to go to this Windows update in the bottom left. And you need to check for any updates over here in the top right. And you need to update your Windows 11. And the next is you also need to expand your display adapters. What you need to do is you need to press Windows plus X altogether. And after that, you need to go to this device manager here. So from here, you need to go to this display adapters. Simply open your display adapters here and you need to go to this Intel and simply right click onto this Intel. And over here, you need to select this update driver and also close any background programs. Too many apps can cause crashes. You need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and close any unnecessary apps, browser tabs, Discord overlays, recording software or other launchers. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.